Hi everyone, this is Business Hunters. Today I set up my table to use my silver Crest blender to make delicious smoothie. As you can see, my table is set up. Silver Crest blender is not all about tomatoes and pepper and food stuff. You can also use it to make juice. You can also use it to make a very good smoothies. That's exactly what I want to show in this video. As you can see, I have cabbage, I have onion, I have lemon, and I also have a little bit of cucumber here, and you can also see here, this is cucumber here as well. And I have garlic here also. As you can see, I have already stocked some in the blender. I want to start making smoothie using my silver Crest blender. That's exactly what I want to do in this video. Pay attention to how I blend. I need to top a little water into it before I start blending. Whether you put water or not, it can blend, but I don't want to waste time. As you can see, I've already dipped in the stick so that I can press it on. As you can see, okay, I started blending. Let me remove the stick. Then I will use the cover of the blender to cover it so that it doesn't splash out. Then I'll begin to when you're blending, you should allow it to be throttling as if you're driving a car. Take it gradually. It's a very powerful machine. You just give it a little break. This video is also part of showing you how you can use your blender, silver Crest blender, effectively. Be it silver Crest 3000 watt or silver Crest 4500 watt. It's the same process. When you're blending, you have to give it a break so that you do not burn out the blender. Then you pause it, you blend again. Okay, now this one is smoothly blended, so I need to pour it out. As you can see, I'm coming in here to pour this one in here, then come back again, fix the blender, and I will start pouring in more of this stuff. I'll start pouring in more of it. As you can see, this is my cabbage. This is cabbage here that I've already chopped. As we always tell our customers, we sell the best silver Crest blender. When we are using our blender, it's not going to smoke. It's the best blender that we sell. We are not people that are producing mass production. That is what I always tell my customer, and all my customers have been buying my blenders. Nobody has ever complained of one blender burnt out or one of these things. We have the best blender. If you want to buy the best blender, contact us. We can give you the best. And we are not people that sell and run away. We always stand by our customers. If they have any complaint of anything, we correct them. One thing that we also do, when we sell our silver Crest blender, we also follow up. We have a manual online manual, how to use it. The moment you buy our blender, we send you the manual so that you don't use it wrongly. That's the way. You can see the way I'm using the stick to push it down, so that it can get to the blade. So let me remove the stick. Then I use a cover to cover it. Then I begin to blend. You give it a break. You give it a break. You are not going to keep throttling it as if you're driving a car. Even if it is a car you are throttling, maybe you put it on gear 1 and you keep on throttling it throughout your journey, you will burn the other car out. You will kill the engine. So when you throttle, even if you're using a blender that is not original, if you know how to use it, you can still manage it. Like this, my blender. Let me quickly show you this blender. This one that you're seeing here. I've been using this blender. This is Master Chef. I've been using it for 4 years now, and nothing has happened to it. I'm using it, but my focus is not on this. It's just aside. But what I'm using is a blender. This one is also smoothly blended. I will now remove it, come and pour it into my container. As you can see, look at what I just made. I wonder how some people will say I blend my pepper. It wasn't smoothly blended. I can see a lot of seed in it. Look at it. Very, very smooth. As you can see, the smoothie that I just made, very smooth. Look at it. So that is all how you can use this Silver Crest blender to do a lot of things. So this is where I want to end this video. If you want original Silver Crest blender, you can comment below and we will get back to you. You can leave your phone number or you can even call us. We will attend to you. We don't waste time. We deliver nationwide. So kindly subscribe to the channel. Also like this video. If you find any value in this video, share it with your friends and family so that they can contact us on YouTube. Our YouTube channel is Business Hunters. Business Hunters. If you go to YouTube and you search for Business Hunters, you will find us easily. We have a lot of videos about Silver Crest blender. What we do basically in our channel, we do product reviews. And we also teach on how to do online business. That is what we do in our videos. But this video is about Silver Crest blender. So kindly subscribe to my video. Kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and follow us. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. God bless you.